Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making oatmeal raisin lactation cookies.
And I'm going to help.
For today's ingredients, we'll be using 1 cup of butter, 1 cup brown sugar, 2 eggs at room temperature, half cup of coconut sugar. This is a healthier substitute for granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1.5 cups of flour, 3/4 teaspoons of salt, half teaspoon of baking powder, 3 tablespoons of grounded flaxseed, 1/3 cup of brewer's yeast, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, 1 cup of raisin, and 3 cups of old-fashioned rolled oats. So we have preheated our oven to 350 degrees. Then we're going to use a mixer to cream our butter and sugar together until it's light and fluffy. Go ahead, Rianne, add the butter and sugar to the bowl. So it's been 5 minutes. Now we're going to put in our eggs one at a time. Thank you. Now we'll add our vanilla. And continue whisking. In a separate bowl, we're going to whisk together our dry ingredients. Our flour, salt, baking powder, flaxseed, and brewer's yeast. Now we're going to add our dry mixture to our buttery mixture. And mix together. Now we're going to add our raisins, peanut butter, and oatmeal. And then we'll mix together. So when you're finished mixing, this is how your batter will look. Now we're going to place it on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Just going to put about a tablespoon. Alright, so this is our first batch for baking sheet. We're going to place in the oven to bake at 350 degrees for approximately 12 minutes or until it's golden brown. This is the final product.
Thanks for watching.
Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Remember to like and hit that subscribe button. Bye.